how to set up these fly traps. So based on the experience from the first one we set up, we're going to set up this one a little differently. First thing that you do is you take your bait, you dump it in the can. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take warm water, not hot, warm water, and fill up to this line. After we've done that, we will tie this where we want this, on a tree or branch or something. In our case, we're going to put it on a door handle, and then we will screw the bottom of this to this. Because in the first case, we did it not in that order, and now we've got all the bait and stuff on this side. I don't even know if the flies can get into the container. All right, we're going to add warm water to the fill line. See the top of my thumb. The bag will dissolve in the water. I'm doing one trap to each side of the barn. Now I'm going to tie the trap to this. The idea being, I don't want the food, the bait, to get and block the flies from coming through here and into the water. You'll see that's what happened with my first trap. Enough water there, so you can see the funnel that the flies need to come down is above. Hey there, you want a great safe way of catching flies? I've got one of these on each end of the barn here, and the idea is to catch the flies as they're coming in to reduce the number of flies in the barn. Once the bait is gone, you can always dump it out, add more bait, fill the water back up, and you'll have more flies in there. So just give it a thought. Look down below. You want to have some safe bait for catching flies? This might be the answer.